you will be surprised that I used to have I used to be a good-looking guy, by the way, right? And thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I wish some ladies would say that to me, I remember in 1980, I was in Coimbatore, and couple of ladies even mistook me for Kamala Hassan. I didn't even know who Kamala Hassan was. Yeah, I know, but that's what ladies thought. Every year, this is how my hair kind of, I lost my hair. The color went from, black, jet black like yours, sir, to whatever it is today. And I said, what the hell is going on? Every year I'm working hard. Every year I'm trying to achieve sales so that I keep on increasing my sales and I, can go for a holiday to Malaysia. And every year it used to turn out that I was stuck in Delhi with nowhere to go. I was at the same place. I used to get new customers, but I didn't know what used to happen. Can somebody tell me what was going wrong? I was losing customers. Thank you very much, sir. What's your name, sir? Kilekar. Okay. Very nice. What happened is, and this came through an experience and mistake I made. I got a client, a very nice client. He gave me 9,000 rupees. I had to design. I run an advertising company, by the way. I run an advertising company, and at the same time I do, as I was telling George here, that I do a lot of passion work, meaning I like doing, I write and I do these talks. I enjoy doing it. I teach management school. I do all that, just passion work. Where was I? Yeah. So I got this job from a client, and we did that job, and the job didn't come out okay. All right? The job didn't come out okay, and I just started my business new 1 or 2 years, and I said, what should I do? What should I do? The job has not come out okay, right? And if I do it again, what will happen? I will lose money, which of course nobody wants to lose. And so what should I do? How many of you from North India? Very few. West India? Okay. People understand Hindi here? Okay? All right. So, in North we call, let's chepo the customer. What is the key word? Chepo. You understand what chepna means? What? What does it mean? Yeah, just rip the customer, just, do something, get rid of him, take his money and go party. All right? So, I said, that is what I will also do. I did that. I was a smooth talker in those days. So I smooth talked this guy, gave him poor quality stuff. He was also nice. He gave me the money. All right? And do you think I got any business from him after that? No. I tried for 2 years. He used to talk to me. We used to even joke with each other. But business, he never gave. And it was a big company. It was a company from where I could have just survived on the business this guy could have given to me. All right? And that was the time when I kind of started realizing I had made the most stupid mistake of my life. I know accounting very well. I've studied finance, accounting. So I said, there's something going on which is wrong. And I decided to delve into the matter, right? And find out what was the loss that I made. What was the loss that I made? And what is the lesson to be learned from that one mistake that I made? Okay? I keep repeating it every time I talk. It's in my book also. and it